Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's exploration of the solar system, we will talk about the Chang'e 2 spacecraft and look at its exploration of our moon and beyond. So let's get started. When space missions are designed, they usually have one job, one destination, one carefully planned objective. But every once in a while, a spacecraft performs so well that engineers are faced with a new question. What else can we do with it? That question defines the story of Chang'e 2, a mission that begins at the moon and ended millions of kilometers away in deep space. Chang'e 2 was launched in 2010 as part of China's growing lunar exploration program. Its original role was straightforward. Chang'e 2 was designed to test improved navigation and tracking, map the lunar surface in high resolution, and prepare the way for future lunar landers and sample return missions. In many ways, it was a support mission, important but not expected to be historic. Once in lunar orbit, Chang'e 2 exceeded expectations. It produced high-resolution images of the moon, detailed surface maps, precise data for future landing site selection. And most notably, it helped identify safe and scientifically valuable locations for later missions, including China's first soft lunar lander. And then the spacecraft still had fuel. Well, instead of ending the mission, engineers made a bold decision. Chang'e 2 left lunar orbit and traveled to the Earth-Sun L2 point, a region of gravitational balance used for deep space observation. The move tested long-distance navigation, deep space communications, and extended mission planning. Chang'e 2 no longer just a lunar mission, it had become a deep space explorer. But the mission wasn't finished yet. In 2012, Chang'e 2 was sent on an ambitious flyby of the near-Earth asteroid 4179 to Tatus. Passing within just a few kilometers, the spacecraft captured detailed images of the asteroid's irregular shape. These observations helped scientists study asteroid structure, improve models of near-Earth objects, and better understand potential impact hazards. For a spacecraft that was never designed to be an asteroid probe, this was an extraordinary achievement. Chang'e 2 demonstrated something crucial. Successful missions don't have to stop at their original goals. It showed that careful design enables flexibility. Extended missions can multiply scientific return. Deep space capability was becoming a reality for China. Chang'e 2 helped lay the groundwork for an ambitious and steadily expanding exploration program. Chang'e 2 reminds us that exploration isn't always about dramatic landings or first steps. Sometimes it's about what happens after a mission succeeds and how far we're willing to let curiosity carry us. So that concludes this week's exploration of the solar system on the Chang'e 2 spacecraft. We'll be back again next week for another exploration of the solar system video. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.